What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 15 free stocks plus $30 in cash reward, get yourself down to the description box and click on that Moo link. Open up your new Moo account today. When you put $100 in that new Moo account, you're going to get 5 free stocks plus $30 in cash reward. If you put $1,000 initially when you open the Moo account, they're going to give you 15 free stocks plus $30 in cash reward. This is a limited time offer, guys. Don't delay, act today. Get yourself down in the description box, click on the Moo link, open up the Moo account. Go get that free stock, go get that free money. I will also send you 2 Moo tutorial videos to walk you through how to use the Moo brokerage app. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Let me know you've opened the Moo account. Let me know you funded it. And I'm going to send you those 2 Moo tutorial videos to show you how to use the app so you can start buying big boy blue chip paper assets today, right away. Now let's dive into why the stock market was light today. You had some profit taking, but here's the headline. Stocks slip the day before Thanksgiving as Nvidia, Dell decline. The S&P 500 shed 0.38% to 5,998.74, snapping a 7-day winning streak. The NASDAQ composite lost 0.6% to end at 19,060.48. The Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 138.25 points or 0.31% to finish at 44,722.06, reversing course after trading up more than 140 points at session highs. Traders appeared to take profits on big technology names that have largely performed well this year, which can explain the NASDAQ's underperformance. Nvidia, which has surged more than 173% in 2024, lost more than 1% in the session. Meta Platforms slid 0.8% despite rallying around 60% this year. Elsewhere in tech, Dell and HP dropped more than 12% and 11% respectively after providing weak earnings guidance. Now, guys, that might be an opportunity. You're talking about Dell, big boy, HP, big boy, blue chip, 12% on sale, 11% on sale. You do the math. May want to put those 2 on the short list. I don't believe they'll be discounted forever. Those moves follow the latest readings of the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, or PCE, released Wednesday morning. The Federal Reserve favored inflation gauge rose 0.2% in October and 2.3% on an annualized basis, in line with expectations from economists, polled by Dow Jones. Excluding food and energy, the so-called core measure increased 0.3% month over month and 2.8% compared with a year ago, also matching consensus forecasts. Today's data shouldn't change views of the likely path for disinflation. However, bumpy. This is coming from lead macroeconomic strategist at Lizard Asset Management. But a lot of observers, probably including some at the Fed, are looking for reasons to get more hawkish on the outlook given the potential of inflationary policy change like new tariffs. It is a shortened trading week in the United States with the market dark on the Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday and set to close early Friday. Trading volume on the New York Stock Exchange was about a fifth lower than a typical day. Still, it has been a notable week as the Dow and S&P rose to all-time highs. The Dow is now tracking to end the week around 1% higher, while the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ composite are up about 0.5% and 0.3% respectively on the week. November trading, which has been defined by a post-election rally on the back of President-elect Donald Trump's victory, also concludes this week. The Dow has climbed more than 7% in November, on track for its biggest monthly gain of 2024. The S&P 500 and the NASDAQ have each jumped more than 5%. I've already told you guys, November, December, January, March, and April are the 5 best months for the stock market. This is going back 60 years from a historical standpoint. I told you November was going to be a monster. The numbers back it up. The Dow, 7% growth. S&P 500 and the NASDAQ, 5% growth. December is coming, guys. Get your plans in place. If you want to sit on the sideline, sit on the sideline. You're going to miss a lot of wealth. My recommendation is figure out what your game plan is and execute it. My game plan is to continue buying throughout December. I'm going to continue to buy in December. Even if we do have a pullback in December for whatever reason, Wall Street aliens taking profits, I'll go in and buy the dip. I'm going to continue to make my moves because I know I cannot afford to let December slide by and not make moves to transfer wealth to myself. And then, of course, January, March, and April are going to be monsters too. So please, guys, get in where you fit in. Get your game plan together. Listen, if you are in the building stage of wealth, there is no better opportunity, guys, than in 2025 to continue building your wealth. Fed is going to keep reducing these interest rates. And I'm going to go out on a limb and tell you the Fed will reduce rates in December by 25 basis points. They have a schedule, a rate reduction schedule to get us to neutral, and they're going to get us there. That's the mandate, guys, right? They've already brought inflation back in line. Now they got to maximize employment, and they do that through lowering them interest rates to give companies the ability to go out and borrow money cheap so that they can hire people, expand, grow, right? And keep the economy healthy. So listen to me. Get yourself down in that description box and click on that Moo link if you don't have a brokerage account and you don't have a plan. Even if you got a brokerage account, open you another one up. Go get yourself up to 15 free stocks, publicly traded companies. Who knows? You could get a hyperscaler. You could get a mega cap. You could get a semiconductor, right? You could get one of your S&P 500 greatest companies in America as a free stock. We don't know, guys, but if you don't find out by clicking on that link, you'll never know. And then when you do click on the link, sign up. Put your $100 in there, you get 5 free stocks. Put your $1,000 in there, you get 15 free stocks. Plus, they're going to give you $30 in cash reward. Limited time offer, guys. This thing will be ending real soon. Matter of fact, I believe it's ending November 30th. So get yourself in where you fit in. Also, stop by my website, www.richardfain.net. We have 10 big boy blue chip digital products. I was looking at the website today. We had people in there making an investment in themselves and buying the digital products so that they can get their financial literacy up. See, when your financial literacy is good and you're confident in that, you will take the money that you earn and you'll execute it into assets. But if your financial literacy ain't up, number one, you ain't gonna have no money to invest because you're gonna be spending it to make somebody else wealthy. You don't wanna do that. So please, guys, check out the digital products on the website. Second link down in the description box. While you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. All we do in there is take care of one another when it comes to our financial growth. Get to our pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. None of us are experts, but with our collective experience, you're talking about 1,000+ people, collective experience, we can drop golden nuggets, tips, best practices, what's working, what's not working, to help you get to your financial freedom, man. Come join us. All you got to do is click on the membership button or the join button in the website. Come on over to Patreon, sign up, and join the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy. Catch you on the next video. Peace.